What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, great people? We are on the outside of Walmart, which is right back there. But nonetheless, today we will be going in to see what their garden section looks like, what the prices of things are, and just see what seedlings they have, seeds they have, and soil they have as well, okay? I don't know, maybe you haven't been to Walmart's garden center before. However, today is the day we're going to take a walk, so let's go! Made it to the floor, but nonetheless, look at these fools, y'all. $1. I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this in my car. Well, great people, that was pretty cool. I was able to see things that I did not expect to see at Walmart, but then too that I haven't seen before. So with that being said, hopefully you saw some things that might have triggered different ideas that may benefit your garden. But more than anything, you could send somebody to Walmart to pick those things up for you. Obviously, I picked up some things. However, they will be featured on some up and coming videos. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification so that you're aware of what I found and how I plan on using it in my garden, okay? So with that being said, have a great day, beautiful people. And remember, you don't have to garden by yourself. You can always garden with me. See you until next time.